Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to add Paramount Plus to your Roku TV so you can stream all your favorite movies, shows, and original content with ease. Follow these simple steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Roku TV and make sure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A reliable internet connection is key for smooth streaming. Step 2. From the Roku home screen, navigate to Streaming Channels on the left-hand menu. This is where you can find and add new apps. Step 3. In the Streaming Channels menu, select Search Channels. Use the on-screen keyboard to type Paramount Plus. Step 4. Select the official Paramount Plus app from the search results to make sure you're downloading the correct app. Step 5. Click on Add Channel to install the Paramount Plus app on your Roku TV. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, go back to your Roku home screen. You'll find the Paramount Plus icon in your list of channels. Step 7. Open the Paramount Plus app by selecting it. You'll need to sign in using your Paramount Plus account's credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly from the app by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, you can browse the library, select your favorite movies or shows, and start streaming immediately. Use the search function inside the app to find content faster. Step 9. For easier access in the future, highlight the Paramount Plus channel on your home screen. Press the Options button on your Roku remote and select Move Channel to place it at the top for quick access. And that's it! Paramount Plus is now installed on your Roku TV, and you're ready to enjoy hours of entertainment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.